Hello, if you are like me and obsessed with national anthems for some strange reason, you have probably thought of making your own national anthem sometime. Well, today I will be telling you how to make your very own national anthem. Let's get started. So, a national anthem consists of two parts, the lyrics and the music. I will be showing you how to make the lyrics. If you are musical, you can definitely make your own tune for your national anthem, but if you're not musical, like most people aren't, just use another tune you like. This is very common for national anthems. The British, American, German all used these different tunes for their national anthems. For this case, I will be using the tune of the original God Save the King. Firstly, we are going to count how many syllables are in each line. So, the first sentence, God Save Great George our King, has 6 syllables. So then we can make our own words. So, usually something just comes to my mind. So for this case, it would be Citizens Arise High. Now, the next line once again has 6 syllables, and a very important part of a national anthem is that the lyrics rhyme at each end of each sentence. So king and king obviously rhyme since they are the same word. So we need a word which rhymes with high. So a word which rhymes with high is nigh. Nigh means something which is close to the end. So let's write until the end is nigh. Okay, so that's our line. And then God Save the King, that has 4 syllables. And we can just say arise high. But this is not going to work, arise high, because we are short of syllables. If you're short of syllables, a very good thing to do is add a filler word. Filler words are very useful. So for this we can use a word like come arise high. Okay, so that's the first part of our tune. Okay, so the next 4 lines are much more dramatic, so we will make these lyrics more meaningful. So the first line, send him victorious, once again has 6 syllables, and now we should make one. Bless us with victory. That is going to be our one. And our next line should be rhyme with victory. That's glory. It doesn't entirely rhyme, but it rhymes enough for it to work. So we could say okay, crown us in glory. But then again, there's a problem of not having enough syllables, so we can add another filler word. A very good filler word is great. So, crown us with great glory. Next we can repeat what we have previously said. Now, if you've been paying attention to the music, you might realize that long 2 has 2 notes, and rain once again has 2 notes. Have be sung as it has 2 syllables if it only has 1 syllable, which is used for to and rain. So we can do this here for until, and we can write it like that to show that it should be sung as 2 syllables even though the word is 1 syllable. Come, arise, high. So that is our sample anthem now completed. I hope you found this very useful.